India's Covid-19 tally touched 6,25,544 with the biggest single-day spike of 20,903 cases, while the death count rose to 18,213, the latest data from Union Health Ministry shows. The pace at which the number of cases are rising is alarming for India and clearly shows the lockdown failed to control the spread of the disease. The government still has not shown any seriousness in formulating a required strategy to fight the virus battle. The Prime Minister had not only put the responsibility on the people to protect themselves, but he also blamed the people for negligence since the unlock began in his recent message to the nation. There's still a shortage of ventilators and isolation beds in the country. While the healthcare system continues to collapse, the government has not put serious efforts in the enhancement of these fast-shrinking health resources. Meanwhile, the Drug Controller General of India has approved pharmaceutical firm Zydus Cadila to start Phase 1 and Phase 2 human clinical trials of its Covid-19 vaccine. This is the second vaccine after Hyderabad-based Bharat Biotech's COVAXIN to get the approval. Drug manufacturers around the world are racing to develop a vaccine against the novel coronavirus. A novel virus is one that has never previously been identified in humans, making the task of creating the vaccine much harder. Maharashtra reported over 6,000 cases in the last 24 hours in a record high for the first time since the global coronavirus outbreak. The state, which has been the worst hit by the pandemic, reported 6,330 cases on Friday, taking the total count to over 1.86 lakh. With a large number of people showing no symptoms testing positive for COVID-19, the Union Health Ministry has revised home isolation guidelines to include asymptomatic positive patients in the list of mild or pre-symptomatic coronavirus infection cases. The chaos in handling the coronavirus pandemic has made it all the more challenging for the nation. India has come in the top ranks of worst affected COVID-19 countries in just 1 month. Despite numerous suggestions put forth by experts after interactions with Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, the government has not included them in its plan to fight the coronavirus pandemic. The absence of a strategic plan to control the virus is worsening the pandemic situation in India.